Next question is the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. I will read the question again. Angles of elevation of the top of a tower. So there is a tower and there are 2 points. From those 2 points, the angles of elevation to the top of the tower are given as complementary and the points are given as 4 meter and 9 meter from the tower. And the question is not to find the height of the tower, but we have to prove that height of the tower is 6 meter. So we are going to draw the picture. Let AB be the tower. Okay, so there are 2 points. Let C be the first point, D be the second point. And B, C, D the foot of the tower, and these 2 points are on the same straight line. And it is given that BC, the first point is at a distance of 4 meter and BD, the second point is at a distance of 9 meters. So BD, length of BD will be 9 meter. From the first point, the angle of elevation will be this angle ACB. And from the second point D, the angle of elevation will be this one ADB. Okay, and what is given there? Those angles of elevation are not directly given, but it is said that the angles of elevation are complementary. When we say that angles are complementary, when the sum of 2 angles is 90 degree, we will say that they are complementary angles. Okay, so here these 2 angles are given as complementary. So what we are going to do is we will take one of the angle as X. Then as these 2 sums gives 90 degree, what will be this angle? This will be 90 minus X. Okay, now we have a triangle ABC with one angle 90 minus X and another right triangle ABD with another angle X. So we will apply the same trigonometric ratios here. Okay, so what we will do is we will take the first triangle, triangle ABC. From that triangle, 90 minus X with respect to this angle, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So we will take the ratio tan of 90 minus X. The angle here is 90 minus X. So we have taken tan of 90 minus X, which is the opposite side AB divided by adjacent side is BC. And what is tan of 90 minus X? We have studied in the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Tan of 90 minus X is cot X, complementary angle, isn't it? 90 means 1 into 90. So it is cot X equal to AB. What is AB? AB itself, we don't know the value. What about BC? BC is 4 meters. So BC is 4 meter. Let it be equation number 1. Again, what we will do is we will take the next triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, there also we will connect AB opposite side and BC adjacent side. So we will apply tan X. Tan X equal to opposite side is AB divided by adjacent side is BD. Okay, so we are getting tan X equal to AB by BD. BD, the value of BD we know as 9 meter. That means from the tower, then this point is at a distance of 9 meter. It is given in the question. So this will be equal to AB divided by 9. So let this be equation number 2. For this question, what we are going to do next is we are going to multiply equation 1 and 2. So multiply the left side, multiply the right side. So when we multiply the left side, we are getting cot X into tan X equal to right side. When we multiply first equation's right side as AB by 4 into second equation's right side as AB by 9. What is cot X into tan X? Tan and cot are reciprocals to each other. If 2 is a number, its reciprocal is 1 by 2. What is the product of a number and its reciprocal? It is 1. Same is the case of ratio also. So tan X into cot X gives you the value 1 is equal to. We can multiply this fraction. So AB into AB gives you AB square divided by 9 4s are 36. So we are getting AB square as 36, which implies AB is equal to, we have to take the square root of 36, which is plus or minus 6. What is AB from the figure? AB is the height of the tower, isn't it? So negative value cannot be taken for the height. So this implies AB is equal to 6 meters. The question was to prove height of the tower is AB. Now we got AB as 6 meter. AB is actually the height from the figure. So we can write at last, therefore, height of the tower is equal to 6 meter. Since the question was to prove that, after writing this, you have to write hence proved.